Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR paint rack. So we got our instructions. It said that the maximum load is going to be 30 kilograms, so about 60 pounds. We got our casters. They have a plastic finish on them. They do freely rotate. This one does not have a lock, so we have two with a lock and two without a lock. So we got a bunch of square tubing and we got our hardware. So it looks like everything is just bolts and nuts. There's no washers or lock washers. We got some long bolts and then we got a bunch of these shorter bolts, and they all have a size 14 or 9/16 head. There are not any label stickers on here, so you just gotta kind of grab these things and then figure out what they are. So this bar has 2 holes on one end, 2 holes on the other end, and then we got 1 hole in the center. This hole is gonna be for a support bracket that's gonna go close to the wheels. So it is gonna attach like that. And we'll do the same thing with the other side. Then these are both going to have our vertical. So it is this pipe with a little foot on the end. And that is going to be where we start using these long bolts. And then we got these supports, which are going to go from here to here and from here to here. And it is probably a good idea to not tighten all this up until we got most of the frame assembled. And right here we will have a little adjustability, so we can attach that with the outermost holes. So we can make it a little bit wider, or we can bring that in however close we want it. It's not a huge amount of adjustability, but if you need a little bit more, we got a little bit more. I'm going to bring this in to its closest setting. Now we can attach our top. And these are our L bars. So then we've just got the top. We got plenty of adjustability here on the top, so we can stretch this out. We can also stretch it out on the ends. So we could actually make this wider on the top than it is on the bottom if we really wanted to. And the last thing is our hooks. And they just basically lay right on top. Looks like these hooks are designed to go around the smaller pipe. We could stretch this out a little bit, stretch this out a little bit, just to give us more length on this short pipe. We could even just take these things and bend them out. So it looks like that one would actually fit on the larger pipe. But I think that one, oh yeah, okay. So we do got a couple of wider ones and a couple of smaller ones. But yeah, that is a super nice rack. Much larger than I was expecting. And on top of that, we could even make it wider than that. So overall, that is a very nice rack.